Are you trying to learn American Sign Language and are trying to find books that are good? Now, I have so many ASL books, and today I want to share the ones I really love. Hi, my name is Jill. Welcome to the A-Mom. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the one I've already told you guys a couple times now, and I'm pretty sure you're probably sick of me telling you about this. Children's Dictionary for ASL is absolutely amazing. It has a DVD that you can use. So if you are learning in Ontario, I know in Manitoba I didn't need to get this book, but if you're learning in Ontario, you do need this book. This is the type of book that have different levels, and actually it's a pretty great book. It's a textbook for people that are taking ASL, but also it has a DVD too, which is great. I actually love it when they have DVDs because, let's just face it, ASL is a moving language. Sign language made simple. This is a great one, and it's just, I like how it's simply put. I brought this to a lot of different schools before, or after school programs and stuff like that. For people that are working with kids and are wanting to learn sign language to help with nonverbal kids, this is a great one. Just, it's simple, the words are very precise, they have them grouped up. The pictures are pretty clear, and they also give a description on what you're doing. So that's always helpful too. Easy American Sign Language was a book that I actually got suggested by one of my instructors. It really goes into more than just signing. So if you're looking for a dictionary, this is not it. If you're looking to take your words that you have and take it to the next level, this is the book you want. Yeah, this is a really good book. American Sign Language Phrase Book. Like the Easy American Sign Language book, this is very similar in the sense of they're going to kind of more look at the grammar. This is definitely for a little bit more advanced. The pictures, are okay. I'm just gonna quickly kind of show you. They work, but for beginners, they're not always the best because it doesn't have the description of the word, but it teaches about ASL grammar, which is very important. So those are my top 5 favorite books so far. There's always new books coming out, but so far those are my top favorite books. I would love to know, do you have a favorite ASL book? Are you trying to learn ASL, or are you teaching your kids ASL? Let me know down in the comments. I look forward to hearing from everyone. If you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button. Until next time, stay safe, stay lovely.